How to fix stereo mix not working in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Updating audio drivers can resolve compatibility issues and ensure that your system's audio components are working correctly. Outdated or corrupt drivers often cause problems with stereo mix. If that didn't work, sometimes stereo mix is disabled by default. Enabling it manually can resolve the issue. Go to the Recording tab. Right-click on an empty area and check Show Disabled Devices. If stereo mix appears, right-click on it and select Enable. Click OK to save the changes. Incompatible audio format settings can hinder stereo mix's functionality. Right-click the speaker icon on the taskbar and select Sounds. Go to the Recording tab and double-click on Stereo Mix. In the Stereo Mix Properties, go to the Advanced tab. Under Default Format, select a different sample rate and bit depth, then click Test. If you hear the test tone, click Apply, then OK. If that didn't work, audio enhancements can interfere with stereo mix. Disabling them can help. Go to the Playback tab and double-click on your default playback device. In the Properties window, go to the Enhancements tab. Check the box for Disable all enhancements or Disable all sound effects. Click Apply, then OK. If that didn't work, reinstalling your audio drivers can fix any corruption issues and reset configurations. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.